Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Like today we're doing puzzle number 212. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. No help here, 1, 6, 7. No help here, 1, 6, 7. And no help here, 1, 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 4, 9. 3 here, 4 here, that makes this our 9. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. And we've got the 5 covering these two boxes. 6 here. So this is our 1, 6, 5. That 5 makes this our 1. Now, and the 6 and 7 makes this our 1. And we can get rid of this 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 6. 6 here, so 3, 5. And no help here, 3, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got the 5 here, so 7, 8. 7 covering both of these boxes. 7 and 8 here. So that means this is our 5. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 6, 5. That 5 makes this our 3, 6. And for this box now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing a 3. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 5 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.